Hey listeners, welcome back to the Hashmi English Tutor channel, where learning English becomes fun, simple, and super easy.
Today, we're talking about something everyone faces when learning English. That moment when you feel like giving up.
Yes, you start with energy, you buy a notebook, download an app, watch a few YouTube videos, and then one day, you just stop.
Right? You think, maybe English isn't for me. But the truth is, that's not because you can't learn. It's because you're using the wrong mindset.
Exactly. Most learners try to study English like a school subject. But English isn't chemistry or math. It's a living skill. You have to experience it.
That's such an important point. You can't learn to swim by reading a book about swimming. You have to jump into the water. English works the same way.
Let's talk about why people give up. I think one reason is comparison. They look at others and think, wow, she speaks so fast. I'll never be like that.
Yes, social media makes it worse. You see perfect speakers online and forget they've been practicing for years. You just don't see their mistakes because those moments never go viral.
True, and sometimes people lose motivation because they only focus on grammar. They memorize 100 rules, but when it's time to speak, their mind goes blank.
Exactly. You can't speak by only studying. You must listen, think, repeat, make mistakes, and speak again.
That reminds me of a student named Rehan. He told me, Sarah, I've been studying English for 3 years, but I can't speak.
And what did you tell him?
I said, Rehan, stop studying English and start using it. So we changed his method. He started listening to short podcasts, talking to himself in English, and writing one short diary every night.
That's awesome. So what happened?
After 3 months, he sent me a voice note, full of mistakes, but full of confidence. He said, Sarah, I finally spoke English to a foreigner, and they understood me.
See? That's the real success. Fluency isn't when you speak perfectly. It's when people understand your message. Let's give our listeners practical tips they can use today. Tip number 1, small steps daily. Don't study for 3 hours once a week. Study for 20 minutes every day.
Yes, consistency beats intensity. Tip number 2, think in English. Even when you're alone, describe things around you. Say, this is my room. I'm opening the window. The sky is blue. It trains your brain to use English naturally.
Tip number 3, learn phrases, not words. Instead of memorizing opportunity, learn the phrase, a great opportunity. That's how native speakers talk.
Tip number 4, listen actively. When you watch an English video, don't just listen for fun. Pause, repeat the line, copy the pronunciation, and feel the rhythm of real English.
And finally, don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake is a sign that you're trying. If you never make mistakes, it means you're not learning anything new.
I love that, Uman. You know, English learning isn't just about language. It's about self-belief. When you say, I can't speak, your brain believes it. But when you say, I'm improving every day, your brain finds a way to prove it true.
Absolutely. I always tell my students, don't wait to be perfect. Speak now, and perfection will come later.
So true. And one more secret? Try to enjoy English. Watch movies, listen to songs, join English communities. When you enjoy the process, you'll never give up.
Okay, Sarah, before we finish, let's teach one advanced phrase for today. The phrase is hang in there.
Nice. 1, hang in there means don't give up. Stay strong. For example, learning English is hard sometimes, but hang in there. You're getting better every day.
Exactly. So if you ever feel lost, just tell yourself, hang in there. I'm on the right path.
So, listeners, remember, you didn't fail at English, you just paused. And you can always press play again.
Love that. Thank you for joining us on Mr. English SH. If this episode helped you, please share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Follow us for more English stories, real lessons, and daily motivation. Because here at Mr. English SH, we don't just teach English, we teach confidence.
See you next time, and remember, keep learning, keep speaking, keep shining.
Bye-bye.